Hey there, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why hair loss happens, or if there's a way to truly reverse it? Well, hold on to your hats, because some groundbreaking research might just have the answers. Scientists at the University of Virginia School of Medicine have made an incredible discovery. They've identified a previously unknown population of stem cells located in the upper and middle sections of hair follicles. Yeah, you heard that right. These stem cells are like little hair-growing machines. They can self-renew and generate various specialized cells needed for hair growth. Essentially, they control the switch between active and dormant hair growth phases. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. These newly discovered stem cells are still present in bald areas of the scalp. This suggests that hair loss might be more about reactivation issues rather than cell loss. In other words, these cells are just waiting for the right signal to jump back into action. To understand how crucial these stem cells are, researchers conducted studies in mice. When they depleted these upper follicle stem cells, the mice experienced hair loss and had disorganized follicles. This highlights how vital these cells are for maintaining hair growth and structure. But what about humans? Researchers are currently analyzing scalp samples from bald individuals to confirm the presence and reactivation potential of these stem cells. If they can prove it, we might be on the brink of a revolutionary hair loss treatment. Speaking of treatments, the current options out there, like over-the-counter creams and prescription medications, often have limited effectiveness and inconsistent results. This new discovery offers a novel target for developing more effective and reliable therapies. Imagine a world where hair loss is no longer a permanent issue. The team is also using genetically marked cells in mice to track the movement and behavior of these stem cells within the hair follicle. They're particularly interested in how these cells interact with the bulge region, which has traditionally been considered the primary source of hair growth. This could provide even more insights into the complex process of hair regeneration. The study has been published and it's already generating quite a buzz in the scientific community. Who knows, maybe in the near future, we'll have a reliable way to reactivate those dormant hair follicles and say goodbye to baldness for good. So, stay tuned, science fans. The future of hair growth might just be a stem cell away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting updates in the world of science. Thanks for watching.